Hello guys, and happy Friday. We made it through the first week of the quarantine, so I'm feeling pretty good. I actually went to Target earlier. I needed to get some essentials. I didn't just go to waste time, maybe, but I did need razors and I needed more bags and I needed 2 more bins for inventory storage, and I also got some other things. So this video is going to be completely non-reseller related. I am taking the day off today. I'm just feeling a little burnt out, so I'm gonna do everything today that's not reseller related and show you guys my day off and what I plan on doing while being quarantined. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I got from Target real quick. Okay, so here is my bin. These are the bins that I get from Target, in case anyone was ever wondering. They are this size right here. Little Bear has not gone outside yet, so we're gonna take him for a little walk later. I know. Okay, I know. Anyways, so I have my Ziploc bags that I use, and they are just a gallon size. I get the mega bag, the 75, and they last me quite some time. I got some glamorous white mouthwash because, you know, that's essential. I got some stuff. I'm going to redo my bathroom. I'm not going to share that with you guys later. You'll see that. I'll show like a before and after because my bathroom is a hot mess right now. I need to clean it. Got some Ajax cleaner. This is going to be another project I'm going to share with you guys. I need to redo my hair. I have grays coming out like crazy. So I think next week I'm going to do a do-it-yourself tutorial on how I do my hair because I get asked that a lot. And if you guys don't know, I did go to school for cosmetology. I was a hairstylist for a little while. And I do my own hair. I have never actually gotten my hair professionally colored. Fun fact. Anyways, I got some shower hooks. I got razors because I am out of razors and I'm hairy AF right now. So, yeah. What else did we get here? Oh, I'm out of my mascara. This is the mascara I use. It is the telescopic Blackest Black. So that's an essential for me. I cannot live without mascara. And I also got new shampoo and conditioner to try. This is Pantene and it is sulfate free, fortifying damage repair, because your girl is going to need this after I throw some of this on my head. So yeah, fun video today. I don't know what I'm doing, but I promised you guys I would do vlogs every day, so here we are. Alright, guys. So it's raining outside. I don't even know if he's gonna go. I don't know if anyone else's dog is like this, but if it's raining, he refuses. He'll probably come back inside after he pees on this a million times. Harley, I think you got it. Oh, never mind, he's gone. Okay, so here's my bathroom now. It's so small, but as you can see, it's starting to get cluttered, so I want to declutter it, clean it up a bit, and give it a new look. I'm going to change the shower curtain out and this bath mat and do something with all this stuff here that I've just been collecting with all of my crazy products. Also, peep this squatty potty. If you guys don't have a squatty potty, I recommend getting a squatty potty. Trust me, the first time you use it, you will be like, whoa, hot damn, I should have did this a long time ago.
Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Just like the earth beneath fell away, and this blinding flash of
Okay, I am sweating. I do clean my bathroom floors on my hands and knees to scrub. I don't know, I don't like mops. I don't know if anyone else is like that. I just like to actually like physically know that I scrubbed it all down and I cleaned it, especially in corners. I've tried the Swiffer, I've tried the braided mops and stuff, especially because I worked in like the food business and all that. So tried a bunch of things, but I feel like the best method to actually get into those nasty corners in your bathroom and kitchen is definitely just cleaning on your hands and knees. So I feel like a crazy Cinderella every time I have to clean my house, but it has to get done. I'm excited. I really like the shower curtain that I got, and I'm gonna wait for the floors to finish drying and then do my little finished touches and then show you guys what it looks like after. Okay, so the floor is dry, so I just wanted to show you guys what I'm going to put down. I got this. It is by Opal House from Target. Their stuff's a little pricey, but I mean, this is like really cute and colorful. And then, sorry, I have like the camera down really low. This I have been hoarding in my trunk and I've just been waiting to put it in my bathroom. I got it from Goodwill. $1.99. Ooh, showing you guys this Goodwill like sticker and just showing you guys something that I got from Goodwill is giving me major FOMO. Like, oh my god, we are so addicting to thrifting. Like, I haven't thrifted since Sunday. I'm going nuts. Clearly I'm going nuts. I'm over here showing you guys how I'm cleaning my bathroom. Anyways, this is like this vintage beachy picture, so I'm gonna hang this up like over on the side, which you guys can't see from this angle, so I'm gonna have to like take you in my bathroom with me and show you guys once I get it all up. So I'm gonna go do that and then I'll check back in. Okay guys, she is done. So here is the rug, here is the beautiful shower curtain. It has like the crochet detailing and some tassels. I got this guy here at Target also. He holds my towels. And then I put this up. So it's a very beachy boho vibe in here. And I like it. So let's move on and do something else. So it's been decided. I'm gonna paint this wall. I have nothing else to do with my life, so I'm gonna finish painting. We started painting our living room in summer of July, and we haven't finished, so I have the paint, I have everything, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna tackle this wall and just paint it. And I'm gonna show you guys before and after, possibly during, we'll see. Okay, so I'm about to get started on painting this wall here behind me. Don't mind that, I had to move things around, and we have a lot of boxes that I need to take down to the dumpster. So I just collapsed all of those boxes over there to take out. So let's do it.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, Your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
Okay, so the wall is finished. I love the color that it turned out. My only issue is that my OCD is kicking in, and even though I taped it off, you can still see a little bit of rugged edges. So I put the lamp here. I took down that New York paint wall decor piece. We've had that since we moved in, so I need to put something else there. This is just like a vintage magazine holder, and then I keep all of my shipping supplies in this little thing. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here yet. I'm still figuring that out. because I just want to redo my entire apartment. Like, I've been wanting to do this for so long, and I finally have some time that I can do it, so that's what I am working on, one little space at a time. So I hope this video gives you guys some inspiration to slow down a little bit on the reselling. Don't freak out over sales. Use this time to just focus on things that you haven't been able to do because you've just been hustling like crazy the past year or two, or in my case, 3. And I'm just kind of excited about this downtime that I can do the things that I love to do that I haven't been able to. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will check in with you guys in next week's video. So bye.